Let us start illustration 3 of study material. Calculation of BEP and sales. Take a screenshot of the question. You are given the following particulars. Calculate number A, break even point, number B, sales to earn a profit of rupees 20,000, and given information are fixed cost 1,50,000, variable cost per unit 15, sales price per unit 30. Now see, we know the formula of break even point. In units it is fixed cost by contribution per unit, and fixed cost is given 1,50,000 and contribution is equal to sales price per unit minus variable cost per unit, which is coming rupees 15. 30 minus 15, 15. So BEP in units is equal to 1,50,000 by 15, 10,000 units, and BEP in value is equal to fixed cost by PV ratio. The formula of BEP in value is equal to fixed cost by PV ratio, which is 1,50,000 given fixed cost, and PV ratio is equal to contribution by sales into 100, which is coming 50%. So 1,50,000 by 50% is equal to 3 lakh. Therefore BEP in value is equal to 3 lakh. Now the question is asking what will be the sales to earn a profit of rupees 20,000. So the formula of sales to earn a desired profit of 20,000, any profit, sales to earn a profit of rupees 20,000. In this case the formula will be fixed cost plus desired profit by PV ratio. Actually the formula is sales to earn a desired profit. Desired profit may be anything, 20,000, 30,000, which will given in the question. Now see, formula is fixed cost plus desired profit by PV ratio. PV ratio is calculated above 50%. Fixed cost is given in the question 1,50,000. Desired profit is also given in the question 20,000. So it will be 1,50,000 plus 20,000 desired profit by PV ratio 50%, which is coming 3,40,000. Okay. Now next illustration, calculation of selling price. Let us read the question. If PV ratio is 60% and marginal cost of the product is rupees 20, what will be the selling price? Again, if PV ratio is 60% and the marginal cost of the product is rupees 20, what will be the selling price? If PV ratio is 60% and the marginal cost of the product is rupees 20, what will be the selling price? Now see. PV ratio is given 60%, variable cost ratio. This means that variable cost ratio will be 100% minus 60%, which is 40%. Now it is a formula. Whenever PV ratio is given, then variable cost, in that case variable cost ratio will be 100% minus PV ratio. And if variable cost ratio is given, then in that case PV ratio is equal to 100% minus variable cost ratio. Okay. In this case PV ratio is given 60%, so variable cost ratio is equal to 100% minus 60%, 40%. Now marginal cost is given in the question. Marginal cost is variable cost. Marginal cost is called variable cost. So if variable cost is rupees 40, then SP is 100. If variable cost is rupees 20, then SP is equal to 100 by 40 into 20, unitary method. Okay. If variable cost is rupees 40, then SP is equal to rupees 100. If variable cost is rupees 20, then SP is equal to rupees 100 minus 40 into 20 is equal to rupees 50. Next illustration, calculation of capacity sales. The ratio of variable cost to sales is 70%. The break-even point occurs at 60% of the capacity sales. Find the capacity sales when fixed costs are rupees 90,000. Also compute profit at 75% of the capacity sale. In the last question we have seen that when PV ratio is given, then variable cost ratio is equal to 100% minus variable cost ratio. In this case, variable cost ratio is given, therefore PV ratio is equal to 100% minus variable cost ratio. So now see, variable cost ratio is equal to 70% given in the question, therefore PV ratio is equal to 100% minus 70% is equal to 30%. We know the formula of break even sales, which is fixed cost by PV ratio. We know PV ratio break even sales is equal to fixed cost, which given in the question 90,000. PV ratio 30% is equal to, therefore BES break even sale is equal to 3 lakh. Now we have to find out capacity sales. The formula of capacity sales is equal to break even sales by break even sales percentage. Okay, break even sales by break even sales percentage. Break even sales percentage is given in the question. It is break even sales. The break even point occurs at 60% of the capacity sales. Okay, therefore capacity sales is equal to break even sales by break even sales percentage. Break even sales 3 lakh. Okay, break even sales percentage 60%, which is of capacity sales, therefore capacity sales is equal to 5 lakh. Now the question is asking, also compute profit at 75% of capacity sales. Therefore profit at 75% of capacity sales is equal to sales at 75% capacity, 5 lakh 75 into 75%, 75% of capacity sales, which is coming 3,75,000. Now variable cost less variable cost. Variable cost can be computed in two ways. Number one, 3,75,000 into 70%. 70% is the variable cost ratio. Okay, variable cost ratio, which is given in the question. We can also compute variable cost as 5 lakh into 75% into 70%. Both will give 2,62,500. Okay, so contribution is coming 1,12,500 less fixed cost 90,000 given in the question, so it is giving a profit of rupees 22,500.